What's up, guys? Everybody, how's everybody doing out there today? Today is a beautiful day in beautiful Blythewood, South Carolina. Today have this 2015 Q60. Big shout out to fathers and sons in Houston, Texas. I know he's got one of these. Nice vehicle. Hopefully he'll take a look. So today, this is one of my, I do work for a company called PermaPlate. This is a warranty job. It's a cosmetic warranty that dealerships sell to the customers that basically covers everything cosmetic. Really good. I've done work for them for the last 5-6 years. If a customer files a claim, they dispatch us out in Georgia, South Carolina. We've traveled 3.5 hours for jobs before. But today, the issue that we were having was oxidation. Maybe some type of chemical fallout. You see that on the hood there? Black vehicle, so you guys know how that goes. Oh, well, what did we do a test spot? Did we do a test spot? So, I've washed, I've clayed. Let's see here. Show you guys the Clay Bar 2.0. Washed, clayed, and the product that I'm using today, sorry guys, out in the field, you know how it goes. The product that I'm using is this new Meguiar's 3-in-1. Now, I picked up the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 probably last year, year before. Started using that product, the 3-in-1 that they have. I call this the lazy man's polish because, well, just let me say this product is doing just exactly what it's supposed to do. Now, I did a test spot. As you can see, now you'll see some where my product has flashed. There's still some lines in there, so I went over there and touched them up just to make sure. Let me show you, see if I can get y'all in here. There's one right there. And I just wetted my finger. And that's going to come out too. So it looks like we're going to have the results that we're going to desire. Now up here is my last question, but it looks like it was cutting in. See how those streaks are going up? And those streaks are going up. Looks like possibly some type of chemical fallout. Maybe an egg, maybe? I don't know. Never seen that before. So you got some water spotting, but I just think that's just in the finish. I don't think that was the actual problem. But you see it's oxidized big time. All on the hood. No other parts of the vehicle are like this. The customer, this is a certified pre-owned, so when you drive a luxury type vehicle like one of these, or one of those, I just had to put my plug in. I drove my MKZ down here. I had to do that. I just had to do, hey, I get to drive cars like my customers now from detailing cars. Believe that? But certified pre-owned, everything's checked, double checked, rechecked from the experience that I've had for buying a certified pre-owned vehicle. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna come back and show you the finished results. Now this is my test spot. I'm gonna use the 3-in-1 product, Meguiar's, and then I'm gonna come back with some carnauba wax to go back up top for that protection. So far, so good. You see the streaks right there, those little streaks, but that's just my product where it's flashed. I thought that was, my buffer was doing that. Using the dual action Harbor Freight polisher as well. And let's get back to it. So back at it, guys. Let's just show you where I've gotten polish. Now, I definitely am not going to fake the funk here, so I'm going to need to go a little bit more aggressive, but you see the progress that I've made. Then you come over here and you see where it starts back up. So it looks like some oxidation. I don't know. It's always something new. You think you've seen it all, you'll never see it all, especially in the detailing world. But we are making progress. Now over here, I'm going to retouch. Still got some in there. See that in there a little bit? I don't know if you guys can see that. Need to retouch. And that's where where it was streaking up. It seems like something got on there. Like I said, it might have been an egg or something like that. Maybe it baked in and that's what happened. But down here is looking pretty darn good. That right there is just a streak from the wax or from the polish. Yeah, see it's gone. So let me get back on this area, and then I'm going to come over here and retouch up this area up in here. Yeah, see a little bit. It's hard to see, but it's there still a little bit. But as you can see, what an improvement. Wow. It's definitely a good feeling when you can come out and perform for the customer and take this worry off their plate and take care of it for them. So I'll be back.